Everybody, this is Tisa with greenorganiclove, and I just wanted to bring you an update from my garden. Welcome back to our summer 2020 garden series, and we are going to be talking about the kale this morning as I am doing my garden walk and trying to accept the damages and trying to recover from them. I noticed something. So let's get a closer look on this kale, and I'll be able to share with you one of the things that I thought of as these kale get bigger and they grow taller. How would the kale come in? The new kale, would it just grow bigger? And I don't know how to explain that part, but how would the new kale come in? So I answered my own question and by just examining, and if you look closer you will be able to see that there are new kale leaves coming. So can you see that? So it takes so much patience to be a gardener. To work in the garden just takes patience and trial and error. We talked about that yesterday in Cheryl's Organic Food Forest Live yesterday. Experimenting and being patient and waiting and seeing. And that is one of the things that I am learning. Just be patient. You see that? Let's get a little bit closer. This kale is just amazing. While I'm waiting to see other things that are growing and checking on them and counting the damage, this kale is over here showing out, and I'm gonna be harvesting. I've ignored them, and that's the whole thing. Like the people that are supporting you, because I think that garden is so key to life. It is just really helping me to see the connection. But while I'm neglecting this beautiful kale, it's over here showing out. It's supporting me. It's giving me food. I'm looking at the stuff that's burnt up and counting the damage. Wow, this kale is just thriving. I've been ignoring it because it is thriving, and that's not what we should do. I'm gonna harvest some of this kale. There's a lot of it. So, and the eggplant, but we'll talk about that on another episode. And all of them are doing the same thing. Do you see that? So I'm gonna have a lot of kale, you guys. We're gonna have a pot of kale instead of a pot of collards, because those collards is not working out. When I finally did get a chance to have them grow, the bugs came in and ate them up. So I give up on the, I shouldn't say I give up, but I'm gonna pay more attention to my kale right at this time. I'm gonna clean this area up, and we gonna chew on kale for the rest of the summer. How about that? So, and this is, I think these are collards coming along right here. They seem to be doing okay. And they're growing alongside the kale and under the kale. So they seem to be doing okay over here. We shall keep an eye on them and see. But I'm excited to plant the red kale right under these, the red curly kale that I got. I'm excited to be planting them right alongside this kale to see how it does and compare the two. So that is the update in this garden, you guys. I got a lot of new things that I've been working on. When I come back to do my garden walk for the month of July, toward the end of this month, there will be some new things here. So to support my growing for the summer and the fall, and also some new projects that I have been working on. I never sit still. So if I'm silent, you're not hearing from me, it's because I'm working on something. A lot of things, actually. So stay tuned, everybody, and thank you so much for watching my videos, you guys. I haven't been putting out as many as I would like to because of the heat and my allergies and blah 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 blah. But I appreciate you guys for continuing to support this channel and watching my older videos. If you really want to see what the beginning of this journey has looked like, please access my playlist. I will list it in this video so that you can click on it for easy access. But it is in the playlist Gardening Then and Now. Until the heat passes, I will not be out here as much as I want to be, because it gets hot and it's an intense hot, and I've been doing a lot of work inside. So I've been painting rooms, and I have a couple more rooms that I need to paint. So be patient with me, you guys, as I am patient in this garden. Grow with love, everybody, and I appreciate your attention. I appreciate you watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. It promises to be an amazing roller coaster of a ride here in this garden in Hemet. I am in California, Zone 9B. And you do well. You do well to talk to the people in your growing zone after you found out what it is, and connect with the locals. That's what I've been doing. I have been connecting with my local growers, and they are having this difficulty as I am. So I'm not alone. And once you do that, you find that what's growing for them, what's working for them, what's not working for them. So that's one of the things that I'm doing this year, is connecting with people in my area that are growing, finding out what works for them, what doesn't work for them. So it has been an amazing journey, and I'm loving it because it's helping me to, I think, be a better person, and to be more patient, and to also have a place to come and like, for example, my kids talk back. I know probably some of your children talk back too, but these plants, when they talk back, it's like they want life. You know what I mean? So it's a different kind of a feel to be out here and to be working with the food that you want to bring in to your family to eat, or even just for yourself, because my kids want chips and juice, and I want to eat a little bit healthier or drink a little bit healthier, and they just want chips and juice for the summer. So thank you again for watching, and enjoy your day. Stay cool, stay safe, and grow with love, everybody.